Today I'm breaking down exactly how I made over $5,000 online from being monetized on YouTube and how you can do it too. Whether you're just starting out or you're stuck at 200 subscribers, this video is what will get you to finally receiving those fat YouTube paychecks. Why should you trust me? I monetized my first channel when I was 16 years old and have generated over 3 million views on YouTube. I have also built two successful YouTube channels to over 1,000 subscribers. The first one being my gaming channel, which currently sits at 10.2 thousand subscribers, and the second one is this channel you're watching me on right now. So how does all this even work? Why would YouTube pay people just to upload videos on their platform? YouTube's payment system revolves around advertising revenue. And here's how it works. YouTube earns money primarily through ads shown on videos. Videos that are posted by creators like me. Advertisers pay YouTube to display these ads, and these ads can appear as pre-roll ads, which play before the video starts, mid-roll ads which play during the video if the video is longer than 8 minutes, display ads which display on the side or below the video, and overlay ads which are transparent ads that show on the video itself. Advertisers pay YouTube based off of CPM, which stands for cost per mil, or in other words, the cost per 1,000 impressions. Now the CPM that advertisers actually pay depends on two main factors: the niche of the video and the target audience's location. So let's say, for example, you have a car channel and your target audience is Kenya, and then there's somebody else with another car channel and their target audience is the United States. Your videos could get the exact same views, yet he's gonna make more money than you because of where his audience is from. Because a country like the United States has a lot of demand from advertisers. Once YouTube collects this ad revenue, it splits the earnings with creators through the YouTube Partner Program. So you as a creator receive 55% of the revenue and YouTube gets 45%. And the amount of money you keep is called the RPM, revenue per 1,000 impressions. YouTube pays creators monthly through AdSense, provided that they have reached the payment threshold of over $100. And payments will always arrive between the 21st and the 26th of each month. And the way the payments work is, let's say you upload videos in January, alright? And that generates you $300. That $300 is what's going to be paid to you on February 22nd. So let's say you upload videos in February and generate $500. It's not gonna be included on that February 22nd payout. That $500 is what they'll pay you on March 22nd, and so on and so forth. Now, how do you actually get into the YouTube Partner Program and finally start making money from your content? It's simple. If you want to monetize long form content, then you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And if you want to monetize shorts content, you need at least 500 subscribers and 10 million views on shorts. Now let me explain what watch hours are. If one person watches a full 1 hour video of yours, you now have 1 hour of watch time. If two people watch 30 minutes of a 1 hour video of yours, you still have 1 hour of watch time. If 1,000 people watch 30 minutes of a 1 hour video of yours, you only have 500 hours of watch time, and so on and so forth. Personally, I have only ever monetized long form content, and in my experience, getting the 1,000 subscribers is way harder than getting the 4,000 watch hours. This is because in order to get those watch hours, all you really need is one viral video. But in order to get subscribers, your content must actually be engaging and enjoyable. So much to the point where that person will want to subscribe to stick around and see what else you have in stock. Now let's talk about niches. As I mentioned earlier, the CPM that advertisers pay YouTube is based off of two factors, and one being the niche of the video. Now what is the niche of a video? This is the topic that your content revolves around. So for example, gaming, finance like this channel, sports, commentary, etc. Niche selection is extremely crucial if you're looking to turn YouTube into an income stream, because you get paid differently depending on the niche that your videos are in. For example, on my gaming channel, I only earn about 1.7 USD per 1k views, while on this channel, according to Google, I should be getting between $20 to $40 per 1k views once I monetize. Now if you guys want to help me monetize this channel, it's simple. Just watch through the whole video. I'll appreciate it. The reason YouTube pays differently for different niches is directly correlated to the level of expenses required to produce that kind of content. For example, real estate videos normally get around a $100 CPM because it is very expensive to make those kinds of videos. Consider the cost of renting that property for the day, buying the various camera equipment and much more. Now mirror that with gaming, which any modern phone is capable of. Hell, I started my gaming channel on a 2015 Samsung and still made $5,000. You should do your due diligence and go ahead and research what niches pay the best on YouTube. Now the most important brick of your content creation journey is the content. I know, it's a no-brainer. If you don't get views, you don't get paid, and that's that. There's a bunch of made-up strategies just floating about online, but I'm about to tell you how this really works. So get a notepad and start writing. The first step is to fail. Nothing is learned without failure. Look, did you know how to walk the first time you tried? No, you had to first fall down multiple times before you got the hang of it. And it's the same case scenario when making YouTube videos. For your first month, focus on uploading consistently and monitoring which videos do well and continue to get views every single day. Focus on things like tutorials, tips, and especially trending topics in your niche. When I started, I focused on clear, actionable advice, and it kept people coming back to my content. My rule: each video should either teach, entertain, or inspire. Once you identify what works, double down and create only that type of content. Become the person who is known for making those types of videos. In my case, it was Noob to Pro videos on my gaming channel. Once you get monetized, funnel all that revenue back into your business. Focus on getting a video editor, a thumbnail designer, a content planner, and a script writer, because maintaining that watch time is the most important factor, which is what YouTube goes off of when deciding to show content to new people. Buy better equipment such as a professional microphone, a 4K camera, and studio lights. The way your content is presented is extremely important to whether you will get views or not. A thumbnail is the first thing people see when your video appears on YouTube. It acts as a visual hook that grabs attention and entices viewers to click. They should not even have to read the title because the thumbnail should tell them all that they need to know. Remember, you're fighting a war over attention with other creators on the homepage, so your thumbnail needs to stand out. As you continue to upload videos on YouTube, take note of what types of thumbnails attracted the highest click-through rate and make more of those. A very useful feature which YouTube rolled out to all creators this year is A/B thumbnail testing, which allows you to give a YouTube video up to 3 unique thumbnails. These different thumbnails are alternately shown to viewers in equal measure over a set time period. They are ranked in order of which thumbnail attracted the highest watch time, which is actually the most important YouTube metric. See, when people watch your video for longer, they watch more ads, which means that YouTube generates more money from ads. So if your videos are keeping viewers hooked, then YouTube is going to push your content and put it in front of more eyes, simply because it's in their best interests. Now, making money on YouTube goes beyond ad revenue. Once you're monetized, don't just stop there. Stack that bread with affiliate marketing, brand deals, and promoting your own products, whether physical or digital, which is where knowing how to do something like dropshipping comes in handy. And if you would like to apply for my one-on-one dropshipping mentorship, then it's easy. Just use the first link in the description down below to schedule a free 30-minute call with me where we'll discuss your goals and the future of your dropshipping journey. Now that you know all this, all you need to do is start. I know it's scary recording that first video, but if you ever want to achieve location freedom like me, then you need to get over that first hump. Because like in my experience, it was a bit awkward, you know, when I started recording videos, just recording when other people are in the house. I used to feel a bit nervous. I would wait till like 2 a.m. just so I can record without feeling, you know, secondhand embarrassment or something. But you need to get over that, because now the stage I'm at, I can live anywhere. I can survive. I can feed myself so long as I have a laptop, bro, and a microphone. I can produce endless YouTube videos, man. And that's crazy to me, because that's a luxury most people do not have. The next most important thing is staying consistent. Trust me, the algorithm is going to test you occasionally to see if you still have that dog in you. You may want to quit uploading content after a losing streak, but trust me, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I am literally the richest 18-year-old I have ever met. So there you have it, fam. Getting monetized and making your first $5,000 online from YouTube isn't just a dream. You need a game plan. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and soon enough, you'll be too paid just like me. Guys, make sure to follow me on social media. My @ is Nate2Paid on all platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. And until next time, my brothers, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up. Peace.